Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and today I will make a beautiful circuit, the temperature and humidity monitoring circuit. This project, this is only circuit for PCB making, and now my dashboard was come, and next I'll search a common library. Okay, and this circuit I will upload it in description box, don't worry. And I will search Arduino Nano. I'll need Arduino Nano, and next I'll need DHT11 humidity sensor, and also the place button, tab, mouse left button. And next I need I2C OLED display or LCD display is the common, and LCD display I choose. And now this is the LCD display. And next 10 kilo ohm resistor I'll need, and show the result and find out the best through-hole resistor and user contribute. And next I find 10 kilo ohm resistor and place buttons also click. And next library section, and I need a 100 microfarad capacitor, and also search and user contribute. And this is the 100 microfarad capacitor and place button also. And next I need 0.1 microfarad capacitor and search user contribute. And next this is the component, and also find out the best through hole capacitor and place button. Okay, after extra selected component I will delete. Now adjust all component properly, and next wire selected to the properly connection VDD connection 5 volt, and ground connect ground, you can see. Okay, next data connect D2, and ground NC connect, and also connect the LCD display VCC ground to connect VCC and ground Arduino, and HDA connect analog pin A4, and ACL connect 24. Okay, and next to connect this capacitor for filtering. And after this the VCC and ground node deleted, and connect to the 0.1. Okay, then the wire connect to VCC to connect positive pin 0.1 microfarad capacitor, and also VCC to connect to 5 volt, and ground to ground connect to the Arduino Nano. And next 100 microfarad capacitor I will move this side of 0.1 microfarad. And next the wire connection will select, and positive terminal to connect VCC Arduino or LCD display VCC, also parallel connection. And next the ground to ground connect. Also almost the circuit was done. And next you can see your result. And next I will select button, the save button, designed, and click no, keep going. And next you show your PCB design page. I will select rectangular and 2-layer PCB design. And next you can move easily in pink box your circuit design. And I will show you the very easy and moving to Arduino Nano and display and two capacitor also. And next I will show you. After this moving, and also adjustment pink box, and pink box also your PCB board size also you can design easily. First of all I will show you how to root option. This video I will show you and teach you the manually to the root connection. Okay, next wire connection and root ground to ground I will show you. And next VCC part to connect Arduino Nano VCC. Also left also you can click your left button in the mouse, also movement in a root connection. And next to connect V in to the sensor connection, V in to ground. This is almost the ground connection, and V in connect after. And next capacitor to capacitor parallel connection I will route in a sensor pin to the ground option. Okay, and next positive terminal was, and positive to capacitor parallel connection was done. And next sensor and you can easily draw your design. Also you can see your route. And almost the connection was done. And next I selection to layer 2, and I can select a bottom layer and SCL connect to Arduino Nano pin A5, and to HDA connect, and HDA connect Arduino pin A4 analog. This is A4 is the indicated the analog pin also you can do. And next D2 connect to the sensor pin, and 5-volt connection was done. Almost your circuit was done. You can see your circuit. Okay, and next text my tech expert Rohit YouTube channel, also to connect 3D view section. You can see your PCB was almost done. Okay, this is a sensor, and this is a beautiful project. And this project temperature and humidity sensor use, and also display. You can subscribe my channel and share also. Thank you.